blueberry, purple tint, cherry lip tint and rose lip tint. So I have two food colors. One is rose pink and second one is blueberry, and I will make first rose pink lip tint. So keep watching my video. So first I will add water. Now I will add rose pink food color. Now I will add glycerin, half tablespoon. Glycerin will make your lips soft and smooth, and it will hydrate your lips. And my pink rose lip tint is ready, and now I am pouring in some jar, and you can save this in jar. And now I will make blueberry lip tint, and I will follow the same formula. And then I will make cherry lip tint. And for cherry lip tint, I mix my rose lip tint and blueberry purple lip tint for creating a new color. My lip tints are ready, and I will show you the swatches of these lip tints. These DIY lip tints are long lasting. And these lip tints take some time to absorb in skin, and it will absorb in 5 to 10 seconds. और अब आप रिजल्ट देख सकते हैं, और ये एब्जॉर्ब हो चुका है स्किन में, और इट विल नॉट रिमूव ऑन योर स्किन, एंड इट विल लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, एंड यू कैन यूज दिस easily, and you can make this easily at home. So if you like my video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.